Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can download App Store on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video and also put your likes. So, let us get started. And I'll tell you right away that the App Store is a program that is always installed by default on any iPhone. So you can't download it, just like you can't uninstall it. As you can see, I have this program on my desktop on my iPhone. And let's say if I wanted to uninstall it, there's a delete function here. I would click on it. And the only thing you can do is remove this application from the home screen. That is, from this entire menu of all the programs, settings, and so on. It is impossible to remove the App Store completely from the phone. If you don't have it on your home screen, then you can easily find it. To do this, you will need to swipe in the middle of the faucet from top to bottom in order to go to search. With this search, you'll be able to find absolutely any program on your iPhone. And here you'll need to type App Store into the search. As you can see, immediately this program appears in the search, even though it's not on the iPhone's working home screen. And in order to open it, you simply tap on it. This way, the App Store opens right away. You will also be able to bring this program to the home screen. To do that, you have to press and hold. And then select Add to Home Screen. And as you can see, immediately the program was added to the home screen. And now you can also move it if you tap on it, hold it down, and select this function, thanks to which you will be able to move this program to where it is convenient for you, for example. Then click Ready. And thus the App Store will be on your work screen. Friends, in this simple way you will be able to download, find the App Store program on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments and also put your likes. See you soon.